All right, let's test this live. I'll go to ChatGPT and pass the text from the prompt template you have in resources. It says, "You are a creative branding expert. I'm launching a digital marketing agency that helps." Here you insert niche, grow through, then here you insert service. Generate 10 short, professional, and brandable agency name ideas that are 1 or 2 words max, are easy to spell and pronounce, sound modern, trustworthy, and scalable, feel like a real agency name, not a blog or product, reflect both the niche and the type of service offered, can naturally include words like media, agency, or studio if they sound fitting, have the .com domain likely available. Avoid overused or generic names like Global Solutions or Next Gen Digital, numbers, or hyphens. Give results in this format: name, why it works, likely .com availability. Now let's replace the blank. Let's imagine I'm launching a digital marketing agency that helps real estate agents grow through social media marketing and lead generation. I'll type that in here. Yeah, that sounds like a good niche. It's clear, specific, and has a growing demand. You don't have to overthink your example, just make sure it feels real. You can always change it later once you define your final niche. So now the prompt says, "I'm launching a digital marketing agency that helps real estate agents grow through social media marketing and lead generation." Perfect. That's our setup. Let's hit enter and see what it comes up with. Okay, that's actually really good. Let's look at a few of these together. Agent Grow Media. That's clean, simple, and sounds like a real agency you'd actually find online. It immediately tells you who it's for, agents, and what it does, growth. Perfect balance between niche and outcome. Then, what else? Real Lead Studio. I like this one too, especially if your main focus is lead generation. It's short, it's punchy, and the word studio makes it feel a little more creative, which works really well if you're offering social media content services too. Now, List Edge Agency. Interesting idea. It plays on listings and edge, which fits the real estate world perfectly, but it might sound a little too sharp or corporate depending on your brand personality. Still, that's a great example of how small word choices can completely change your brand's tone. Here, Home Wave Agency. I love that one. It sounds modern, soft, and almost lifestyle driven. Could be perfect if you're targeting realtors who want a more personal, social media friendly image. And then we've got SalesSpark Agency. It's catchy, but maybe a little generic compared to the others. You'd have to pair it with really clean visuals to make it stand out. You see how quick this was? We literally went from a single idea to 10 solid brandable agency names in seconds, and all I did was change the niche and service inside the prompt. Now, let's take it one step further. I'll quickly check if one of these is actually available as a .com. Let's try realleadstudio.com. And yes, it's available, so you can literally have your agency brand name and domain ready in under 5 minutes. But let's be real, it's not always this smooth. Sometimes you won't get the perfect name from ChatGPT right away, or the first domain you want might already be taken. That's totally normal, and it's exactly why flexibility matters. The key is to stay proactive. Tweak 1 or 2 words, try a new variation, and move fast. Don't get stuck overthinking or waiting for the perfect name. It's better to have something good and active today than something perfect that never launches. That mindset alone puts you ahead of 90% of people who stay in planning mode forever. If you want more ready-to-use templates and a step-by-step system to build your own agency from scratch, check the link in the description below. You'll find the link to the Agency Success Blueprint. It walks you through everything from branding and outreach to landing your first clients without wasting months figuring it out alone. Check it out below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.